Here we are in the first segment of Siamese Cousins.
Siamese
Shipsies, excuse me. With Caroline, Brian, and Justin. Me and Brian are handcuffed, leg cuffed, the legs, and Justin is cuffed to those cuffs. And it hurts a lot when you walk.
Yes.
In this segment, we're gonna try walking up the stairs.
First segment.
Yes, the first segment. Oh, and it's 1 a.m., so we have to try to be quiet.
Oh, God. I don't get it over. Oh, God. Oh, whoa, go.
Guys, just under that floor.
Oh, God.
Get up.
Okay. Oh, let's get. Alright, gotta get to the top.
We're gonna step on my hand, Justin.
No.
Alright.
Now let's go back down.
Quietly, let's go back.
Okay, should I go first? I want to go first.
Justin, go slow down, please. Justin! Go.
I'm going, Kevin.
Come on,
Caroline. You gotta take a step down too.
Alright, Justin, stop.
I'm down in there. Okay. Here we go. Okay, we still have to get to the camera to turn it off.
What?
We still have to get all the way to the camera too.
Yeah.
Okay.
Alright, we did it.
Okay. So we have successfully completed segment 1.
And that was very painful.
Yes, it quite was. Okay, well now we have to get to the camera to turn it off. This is pretty much a segment in itself.
Thank you. Good night.
Did you get it right?
No.
Come on.
Thank you. Good night.